In this video, I will show you how to add Walmart gift card to your Apple Wallet. First of all, you need to open your App Store and you need to go to the search where you need to write Pass to You and click the search button. First of all, we need to install this app which is called Pass to You Wallet. I already installed it, so I will open it. And then in the bottom menu, you need to click Pass Store. And in the top right, click the search icon and write Walmart gift in the search bar. You need to find the Walmart gift card template, for example this one, which is applied almost 10,000 times. So I will open it. Then click the next button in the top right. And you need to start customizing your card. You need to enter your card details right here. You can also use the scanner in the barcode section and scan your card. When you finish, you can click the done button in the top right. After that, click add and it will add the card to your Apple Wallet. So when you close this and go to your Apple Wallet, right here you will see your Walmart gift card. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.